Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Disney Christmas village is probably one of the most enchanting ways to bring the magic of Disney into your home this Christmas, transforming your living space into a whimsical winter wonderland filled with beloved Disney characters and iconic locations, creating a festive atmosphere that will surely captivate both children and adults alike, making it a cherished holiday tradition for years to come, and offering a delightful escape into the heartwarming spirit of the season. Number 5. Disney Minnie's House Building. Step into the magical world of Disney with this charming replica of Minnie Mouse's cottage. It's meticulously crafted and perfect for adding a touch of Disney magic to your home. Notice the exquisite detail in this miniature house. Every aspect is carefully handcrafted, showcasing the artistry and precision that went into its creation. The colors and design reflect Minnie's signature feminine style. You'll love the charming details that bring this iconic Disney location to life. Inspired by the actual Minnie cottage at Disney World, it captures the essence of the beloved Disney character and her whimsical home. This piece is artist-designed and globally recognized for its quality. It's a part of a legacy of creating seasonal memories for families since 1976. This delightful building is perfect for surface mounting, making it easy to display in your home or as part of a larger collection. It's sure to become a cherished keepsake. What we like? It's the perfect addition to any Disney Christmas Village collection, especially if you appreciate its feminine design and meticulous craftsmanship. If you're looking for a charming, detailed piece to add a touch of Disney magic to your holiday decor, this is the perfect choice. This delightful piece is ideal for those who love Minnie Mouse and appreciate high-quality, handcrafted items. What people say. Looks just like the house they used to have for Minnie at Walt Disney World. This house is a great addition to any village. The details are great and the colors are bright and bold. Everyone loves this house. It is very cute and lights up it and everything around it. It definitely stands out in my Department 56 village. Number 4. Disney Mickey's Ear Factory. It's the place where all the magic happens. Watch as Mickey oversees the creation of his famous mouse ear hats, with a little help from Santa's elves. This charming miniature building is crafted from high-quality porcelain and is meticulously hand-painted for exceptional detail and charm. It features a built-in light, casting a warm glow that enhances its whimsical appeal. Enjoy the magical ambience it creates. This delightful piece is perfect for adding a touch of Disney magic to your holiday village display. It's sure to become a cherished part of your collection. Measuring 6 by 6 by 6 to 3/4 inches, it's the ideal size to add to your existing North Pole Village display, or to start a new one. Bring the enchantment of Disney into your home this holiday season. This miniature is a must-have for any Disney collector. What we like? This charming piece brings the magic of Mickey's workshop to your holiday display. If you're a fan of Mickey Mouse and love the festive spirit of Christmas, this is a must-have addition to your collection. Its unique design and charming details will add a touch of whimsy and magic to your holiday decor, making it perfect for those who appreciate unique and high-quality items. What people say. Department 56 Mickey Village piece is absolutely stunning. The details are well done, as well as the whimsy. Reminds of us our trips to the Magic Kingdom. Very beautiful and intricate details. Vibrant colors and well packaged. This is not one of those that you have to spend an hour trying to put back in its box for storage. Number 3. Disney Mickey's Holiday Express. Get ready for the holidays with this charming addition to your Disney Christmas Village. It's a meticulously crafted miniature display piece, perfect for adding a touch of magic to your festive decor. This delightful piece is part of the Department 56 Disney Mickey's Christmas Village series. It's a genuine collectible, adding authenticity to your holiday display. It displays beautifully with other lit buildings and accessories from the village collection. Create a magical, cohesive holiday scene with ease. Made from high-quality resin and hand-painted, it boasts intricate details and a charming finish. You'll appreciate the artistry in every aspect. With dimensions of 5.75 L x 4.25 W x 4.75 H inches, it's the perfect size to add to your collection without overwhelming your display. It's sure to bring holiday cheer. Bring the enchantment of Disney's Christmas Village to your home this year. This miniature piece is a must-have for collectors and holiday enthusiasts alike. What we like? This meticulously crafted accessory adds a touch of festive charm to your Disney Christmas village. If you're looking to expand your village with a unique and detailed piece, this is a perfect choice. Its vibrant colors and intricate details make it a delightful addition to any collection, ideal for those who appreciate high-quality, hand-painted figurines. What people say. Every year I put up a village on my counter for Christmas. I order 1 or 2 new pieces to add to the collection. This year I purchased this and was very pleased with the quality, style, and of course the Disney theme. The quality is perfect and attention to detail is perfect too. I love the detail. Made really well and a perfect piece for a village or by itself. Number 2. Department 56 Disney Mickey Lights. These delightful lights add a touch of magic to your holiday village. They're perfect for creating a whimsical atmosphere. Notice the meticulous detail in each miniature light. It's a testament to the artistry and care that went into creating them. Bring the magic of Disney to your holiday display with these charming Mickey Mouse streetlights. They're sure to delight. Made with durable zinc alloy and plastic, it's built to last and become a cherished part of your collection. For over 40 years, Department 56 has been creating heartwarming holiday accessories. This piece continues that legacy. Add these charming lights to your Department 56 village for a touch of Disney magic this holiday season. They're the perfect finishing touch. What we like? This charming accessory adds a touch of festive charm to your Disney Christmas village. If you're looking for a high-quality accessory to enhance your village, this is a perfect choice. Its classic design and durable materials make it a long-lasting addition to your collection, perfect for those who value quality and attention to detail. What people say. Fine detail. Perfect add-on to Department 56 Mickey Village. The perfect addendum to my Disneyland layout in my home office. I use Mark's Fort Apache as Fort Wilderness, Robin Hood Castle as Cinderella Castle, Cape Canaveral for Tomorrowland, a Disneyland train depot, run a Bachman on 30 old-time train around the fort, created a jungle cruise and rivers of America with Tom Sawyer's Island, and have many tourists and Disney characters populating my park. I illuminate the 2 street lamps with a Department 56 AC adapter model 56.55026. So long as you're not wanting or exiting the little lights to be super bright, then you will be happy. They put off a yellow light, which is okay, and are a nice accent for the Mickey Village. They are a neat design with the Mickey ears. Number 1. Disney Mickey's Candy Tree Figurine. For over 40 years, Department 56 has helped families create lasting holiday memories. This charming figurine is a perfect example of their dedication to quality and artistry. It's not just a decoration, it's a work of art. Each piece is meticulously designed by talented artists, ensuring a unique and captivating look. Department 56 is known worldwide for its exceptional quality. You can trust that this figurine will be a cherished addition to your collection for years to come. Notice the intricate details and craftsmanship. It's the kind of quality that sets Department 56 apart from the rest. This delightful figurine features Mickey Mouse and his candy-themed Christmas tree. It's the perfect addition to any Disney or holiday collection. Bring the magic of Disney and the charm of Department 56 into your home this holiday season. It's a tradition you'll love for years to come. What we like? This delightful accessory adds a touch of sweetness and whimsy to your Disney Christmas village. If you're looking for a charming, unique piece to add to your collection, this is the perfect choice. Its festive design and high-quality craftsmanship make it a delightful addition to any holiday display, ideal for those who appreciate unique and high-quality items. What people say. Quality looks very good. Well made and of good quality as expected. The attention to detail is fantastic and it fits perfectly in my village. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.